Hey, this is Jenny Jones, Digital Growth Hacks Club. All right, so listen, a lot of things here. I think we talked about a couple of finds that I did find already. I think Topical Map was pretty good. Actually, Topical Map is really good if you need content, right? If you have all the content you have in the world, that's fine. But if you want to go underneath the scenes and try to dig for stuff and just try to put clusters together, I think Topical Map is pretty good for that. Next Step is obviously good. SendOsend, I've been using this for about a year now. It's pretty darn good. You can send secure files, so sometimes I'll need people to sign something or what have you. So I will use that. That's pretty sneaky. But the tool that I really like that I wanted you to take a look at, and I want to hold your time up here, is it's Rafter, right? So I'm gonna actually do leave my review up here, but this is pretty good. And I think what they do is, I think it's just programmed to just look for all different types of vulnerabilities. Now I do a lot of vibe coding. I'm using Greta. I'm using Base 44. I'm using all of them. I've tested all of them. And I have a couple of videos out there where I've looked at them and I've told you which ones I like, abacus and all. So what I'm finding is I'm doing a lot of vibe coding. I like some things that some of them do and some things that the other ones don't do. So what I will do is, before I get ready to take a site public, I will do a last minute security check, some things I check for. But what Rafter did is Rafter went in and found some vulnerabilities without even going into my code. They can just look on my website and read my website, the domain, and says, yeah, I can see you didn't do this. I can see this in your code. I'm reading your code and I can literally see this in your code. And to me, I was very impressed. And then what I'll show you later, where I'll just copy the whole thing and put it in there. So this was able to find, I think they went over, they are looking at some things and it's not critical, but then they went in and found a couple of things. This is sneaky. I didn't see that. So this, you can scan any GitHub for vulnerabilities, but I like the fact that you can scan regular websites. 10 sites you can do here, 15 scans per month. I think the sweet spot to me is probably a tier 2. I think if you don't have anything, for me, I do a lot of vibe codes. And I think for me, what I would do, and what I'm probably am going to do, is once people start getting into it, I may just do the $199 because I can do unlimited sites. So if people build stuff, I can say, hey, you know what, for a service, for a fee, I can have and look for any vulnerabilities here. Put this inside your code. Check this out. That's if I wanted to overbuy. I don't think I'm going to overbuy. Really depends. But I like my tier 1 right now. I'm waiting on a coupon. I'll probably just upgrade to tier 2. But this is worthy tier 3 purchase. And the reason why I say it's worthy tier 3 purchase is because there's no other tool doing this. And there may be some tools that come along, but they're not going to be lifetime deals. But if they do, that'll be fine. So they're just basically going in and they're just checking. So like someone says, caught real live credentials in our first scan. So you'll be surprised. We'll go over to my let's go over to my, and I'm not going to show you everything. I just want to show you how I found some vulnerabilities and I didn't know, but I'm not going to do a full walkthrough on this tool. But this did I was really impressed. Let's go over to my database. I keep saying my database. Let's go over to my desktop. Let's take a look at it. But this is a real deal. This is a grown up tool, right? And I always respect a lot of people that come out of San Francisco and they have seed funding. They're not playing. That means they got some real serious people looking at them. I think this is a really good tool on the surface, definitely for the price. All right, let's go over to my desktop. Thanks. Hey, yes. So now that we're at my desktop, I wanted to make a really short video on this. I just think this is gold. From when I first found it, is I do a lot of vibe coding and I'm just putting stuff out there and I'm trusting the code because I don't go in the back end. I'll do some wrapping. I'll say, hey, can you test this, test that? But what happened is I put this is just a simple test on the top, just using a URL for one of the vibe codes that I created, and it found 9 warnings, and it found one gave me like, hey, this is a soft warning. It's not major, but you might want to check into it. So I started going through them and started checking on them. They're saying, hey, all these. So most of the warnings were against Superbase. So what happened is I went over and we had a cookie missing security flags, which my app doesn't run cookies. But so I'm assuming that this goes through a series of checks where they found the most vulnerable, definitely when it comes to Vibe tools. So I'm not using cookies. So they're just letting me check that. So out of these 9 warnings, again, most of them, the way I have my Superbase set up, my database, they were like, yeah, we could see why your security software would say that. But because what I did was I copied all the prompts and I copied it over into my Vibe coding tool and says, hey, this is what I found. This is what the security software is telling me. They're like, yeah, we can see why they would say that. And it's not wrong, but we don't use that. And here's the reason why we don't use it or what have you. But they did find 2 security holes that I was like, yeah. So my Vibe coding tool said, yeah, these are pretty significant. So let's fix them now. So I think having a tool like this just in your back pocket, if you do a lot of Vibe coding, I think there's nothing wrong with this. This is a tier 1. I'm probably going to go to the highest tier because I am just putting out so many Vibe coding tools right now. So I think I probably will go to a higher tier. But again, this is Rafter. Pretty darn good. I like this. I'm impressed. And I've found had a lot of stuff going on here, but just running it and just copying the whole thing over into my Vibe tool and says, hey, you need to check these. This is what they're saying. And for it to speak back to me intelligently, I thought that was pretty remarkable. Hey, this has been Jenny Jones. Check it out. There's a link in the description below. Pick it up. Won't cost you anything additional. I'll receive a small commission for it. And again, I am an absolute affiliate. So you can, if you do pick it up, which I strongly at least get a 1 tier. I think you can get, 10. I think you can get 14 sites with a tier 1. We'll look at it. So yeah, as I said previously. All right. You guys have been great. Thanks. Bye.